Woody's is excited to bring you your new favorite electronic accessory, the sleek, simple, and stylish iPick. With this tiny little pick, you can do more. It's perfect for texting, gaming, strumming, and drawing. Fashioned after musical guitar picks, the iPick has a natural feel that fits comfortably in your hand. Use the iPick with all of your favorite mobile devices such as iPhone, iPad, Android, and other touchscreen devices. The iPick can help big hands text a message on a cell phone with great precision. Want to increase your game? The iPick makes gaming more fun and keeps your touchscreen device free from finger smudges. Take full advantage of new apps such as the Miso Music app, which lets you play a virtual guitar with the iPick. The iPick makes this and other virtual applications more fun and accurate. Plus, you can even use the iPick with gloves on. It lets you keep your fingers warm in the cold season and on the go while you text, talk, or play. The iPick is compatible with all of your favorite touchscreen devices. With so many options, how will you use the iPick? Do more with the iPick today.